turn the camera around here. Here we go. New black. Unlike the old one, it doesn't stay. Once you take the key out, then it will. Now, it'll stay. Almost flawless. Let's see all the tools down here and all the whoops. Parts we could have used. See, here's a little sketching ring. Could have used if we needed to. And a little wipe this down. Some fingerprints on that. See the old pieces here. The old black. Here. Whoops. Oh. Black. Nut. It's not. Screw for the latch. Here's the old latch. Well, as you saw, I ended up using one of the included ones because it didn't really fit. But, so this is by the same manufacturer, this lock here. But it will not work. See if the key on this ring, it goes to the fire drill switch. Does not work. Now, these are the same locks. They're very similar, only this has a chrome finish and this is a brass finish. As you can see, with this key, it works. So yeah, final thing is just put these keys on this key ring here, and then we'll be done.